Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a stylish name for Pubg, Free Fire and your Facebook account. You can see that is I have created some name and those are stylish name, and you can also create such kind of name. So if you use Android phone, first of all you have to go Play Store, and you can see this is my Play Store. So just search here an application. The application name is Nickname, this one. Then you can find here in first one, nickname generator, free fonts. So just install this app, then I will show you how you can use it. So just install it. Right now installing. So guys, before going to installing, I'm gonna ask you something. If you're new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for getting new videos. Okay, after installing, just click for opening. Right now it's opening and you can see then you can find here such kind of interface. Okay, so just click for middle one, that is nickname. At the bottom of the side you can find here create. Just enter a text here. So I'm gonna enter text, that is king, this one. So I can follow here a number of text, suppose this one. So I'm going to copy it. Right now it's copied, sorry, it's add. Okay, next if you want to share, you can see here at the bottom of the side share button. So just click on share, and you can also share on Facebook, Messenger or anywhere. So just copy the text and change your name on Free Fire, on Facebook, or any kind of site.